everybody. All right, so let's get into it. You see my eyebrows are done, my eyes are primed, and we're going to use the Saharhan II by Juvias Place, and we're going to start off with Taza, and this will be like our transition color, and we're going to go into the crease using the BH Cosmetics brush from the Rose Collection brush set. Okay, and today we are doing a dramatic cut crease again, once again, using some nice, bold, colorful colors. All right, so we're going to blend. You all know you have to blend in makeup, blend with everything. So you have to blend till your arms fall off, as you guys know, as I say all the time, and I be serious. So you have to blend to make everything look cohesive. Okay, you want everything to look together. You don't want anything looking separate. Okay, that's not cute, unless that's the look you're going for, but that's not what we're going for today. Okay, or any other day. All right, so we're gonna use a fluffier brush from the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold collection, and we're going to blend everything together. Just make it, you know, just blend everything so the next color that we'll use will go on there nicely. All right, so we're going to use another brush, and we're going to use the Zohra, or Zara, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I apologize. And we're going to go into the crease, and this is just to make the color a little bit deeper, have a nice deeper look, okay, because the look I'm going for, I want the colors to be very vibrant. Okay, and now we're going to take the fluffier brush and we're going to blend everything out. Make sure you're blending because we want everything together. So every time you add a color, you blend. All right, now I'm going to put Taza a little bit because we lost Taza, lost the color a little bit. So we're going to put Taza back up there on the top a little bit just to make everything blend and come together. Okay. Now we're going to use the Morphe palette. I know it looks beat up. I apologize. And we're going to use Universal for the Browbone highlight. As you guys can see, and I'm using a brush that I purchased from CVS. This is my same eyeshadow brush that I like to use all the time. And it's to make the colors come nicely together. And then we're going to take the brush and blend. Blend. Blending is our friend, y'all. Don't be afraid of blending. All right, and we're going to bring it down a little bit because I want it to be like a light and a, you know, I want it to come together very nicely. So this is the look that I'm going for, as you guys can see here. Now I'm going to use Soft Ochre by MAC. And this is where the fun begins. Okay, all right, so this is where we're going to do the dramatic cut crease, and I am using an angled brush. This angled brush is by Elf. I'm sorry if I didn't show it. I apologize about that, but I'm going very careful. Now I'm going in real time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Since I have hooded eyes, as you guys can see, I'm putting it on the flap, as you guys can see here, because I want it to be very dramatic and I want everyone to see it like I did before in my other video. All right, and I forgot to start it off how I did it before my other video, but you can start it off this way too, it doesn't matter. But I'm basically being careful and I want everything to be nice and neat. So when you do this part, please take your time, do not go fast. So if you have somewhere where to go, please start your makeup very early, especially if this is your first time doing it, because you don't want it to look sloppy. A cut crease have to look very nice and cut. It shouldn't look sloppy, okay, unless that's the look you're going for, but that's not the look that what we're going for. Okay, we're going for a nice neat. Okay, you guys know I'm very detailed and I'm very meticulous about things, so you have to make sure that it's very nice and neat. Okay, because nobody has time for a sloppy and crooked cut crease. Okay, so it don't have to be too perfect, but you know, very nice. It looks very nice and neat. Okay, and you just fill it in and things of that nature. And I do not set the concealer, so if you do want to set it after you're done, you can, but I don't set it because after all the things that I did the proper technique that I usually do for my like the priming and things of that nature, so I don't have to, you know, put any powder over the concealer because it's okay after that. Okay, I don't have to do that. But if you want to put powder over it, you can, but I don't. And it doesn't crease. Nothing creases over here. I use a very good primer for my, before I put on my eyeshadow. Okay. So I do not put powder. I do not put powder over this concealer. Alright, so the vibrant color we're going to use is Berber. And I'm going to use this flat brush. Okay. And I'm going to pat it onto the concealer. Pat. I'm not going to swipey. I'm not going to swipe it on. I'm going to pat it on. Okay. And that's what you do to pack on the color. Okay. This will take a little bit time. That's why I did fast forward. So you're just going to pat all this color on. And this is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to use Zohra, and we're going to smoke it out here, and we're going to put it on the side, as you guys can see. And I'm using the brush, the Morphe brush that I used before, and I'm just going to smoke out the edges. All right, now I'm going to do the other side, and that's basically it, you guys. So that's it. I'm not going to talk through this part because is the same as the other side, and as you guys can see, it is a very nice vibrant, like a mermaid color, like a nice, you know, vibrant, you know, kind of summer color, if you will. And as you guys can see, it did look like it turned purple. Like I did use purple, but I didn't. So the colors did come out pretty good. At first I thought it didn't come out great. Or not great, but I thought I wasn't going to like it and I wasn't going to record this, but I'm kind of glad I did. So it did come out good. So yeah, so that's basically about that. You guys know I be second guessing myself all the time because I still consider myself a beginner in makeup. Okay. All right. So that's basically it, you guys. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, that's basically about that. So please thumbs up if you want to see more dramatic cut creases for hooded eyes. I definitely will do it, and that's basically it about that. Or if you want some more get ready with me, it's okay. I'm going somewhere, I believe, I don't know, but you can definitely hit the thumbs up for that as well. And that's basically about that, you guys. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, and if you want more videos like this, please let me know, and I definitely will do more videos like this. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, ask below, SAMRK1970 at gmail.com, and I definitely thanks for watching. Peace.